Before each drain and refill, you need to recharge your portable water softener, and we're gonna show you how. There's two different sizes, a single and a regular. So whether yours is small or if yours is big, these instructions are the same. First, you just want to make sure that you have no hoses connected to the softener. After that, you'll keep the cap on and flip it upside down and just let any residual water drain out of the tank. Now that it's done draining, go ahead and set your filter upright and remove the gray cap on the top. When you take the cap off, you'll see some orange crystals. You do not want to remove these, as these are ion exchange resin beads that help to remove calcium and magnesium from the water. Now it's time to add our table salt. We're recharging the single canister, so we're adding 1 cup. But if you have the double, you should add 2 cups of salt. If it's clogging up a bit, just give it a tap, or you can pour just a hair of water down to help dilute it a little bit. Also, if you could hit the subscribe button, it'd really help us out and help us reach more hot tubbers who want help learning how to hot tub properly. Now that you've added your salt, dust the salt off the rim and tightly put your cap back on. There are 2 places to connect your hose, and for this you want to make sure you're using the in insert. Now this handy dandy connector thingamabob will help make it so that the end of my hose can connect to that in port. Now's when we can go ahead and connect our hose to that thingamabob, or whatchamacallit. Now make sure the valve on the thing is open, and we're going to turn our hose on just so enough water that looks about the size of a straw is coming out of that outspout. Now wait about 10 to 15 minutes and you're all done. Now you can fill your hot tub.